Experience driving perfection in the 2014 Mini Clubman. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.